Welcome back to the class everyone. Now we will learn about external communication interface. The external communication interface refers to the different communication channels or buses used by the embedded system to communicate with the external world. The external communication interface can either a wired media or a wireless media, and it can be a serial or parallel interface. First, we will look into RS-232C. RS-232C is a long established standard that describes the physical interface and protocol for relatively low speed serial data communication between computers and related devices. RS-232 supports two different types of connectors, DB9 and DB25. RS-232C is the interface that your computer uses to talk to and exchange data with your modem and other serial devices. RS-232 is a point-to-point communication interface, and the device involved in RS-232 communication are called data terminal equipment and data communication equipment. If no data flow control is required, only TXT and RXT signal lines and ground line are required for data transmission and reception. If hardware data flow control is required for serial transmission, various control signal lines of RS-232 connections are used appropriately. The control signals are implemented mainly for modem communication, and some of them may not be relevant for other types of devices. The request to send and clear to send signals coordinate the communication between DTE and DCE. Whenever the DTE has a data to send, it activates the RTS line, and if the DCE is ready to accept the data, then it activates the CTS line. Now let's look into USB. You must be familiar with the USB. USB is a wired high-speed serial bus for data communication. USB is a plug-and-play interface that allows a computer to communicate with peripheral and other devices. USB connected devices cover a broad range, anything from keyboards and mice to music player and flash drives. USB transmits data in packet format. Each data packet has a standard format. The USB communication is a host initiated one. The USB host contains a host controller which is responsible for controlling the data communication, including establishing connectivity with USB slave device, packetizing and formatting the data. There are different standards for implementing the USB host control interface, namely Open Host Control Interface and Universal Host Control Interface. Universal Serial Bus. The physical connection between a USB peripheral device and a master device is established with a USB cable. The USB capable supports communication distance up to 5 meters. The USB standard uses two different types of connectors at the end of the USB cable for connecting the USB peripheral device and a host device. Type A connector is used for upstream connections, connection with host, and Type B connector is used to downstream connections. The USB connector present in desktop PCs or laptop, example, Type A USB connector. USB supports four different types of data transfers, namely control, bulk, asynchronous, and interrupt. That is isochronous. Control transfer is used by USB system software to query, configure, issue commands to the USB device. Bulk transfer is used for sending a block of data to a device. Bulk transfer supports error checking and correction. Transferring data to a printer is an example of bulk transfer. Isochronous data transfer is used for real-time data communication. In isochronous transfer, data is transmitted as a stream in real time. Isochronous transfer doesn't support error checking and retransmission of data in case of any transmission loss. All streaming devices like audio devices, medical equipment for data collection make use of the isochronous transfer. Interrupt transfer is used for transferring small amount of data. Interrupt transfer mechanism makes use of polling technique to see whether the USB device has any data to send. Devices like mouse and keyboard which transmit fewer amount of data uses interrupt transfer. Let's now look into FireWire, that is IEEE 1394 standard. FireWire, which is also called IEEE 1394, is a connecting device used primarily for adding peripherals to computer. FireWire is often used for connecting external hard drive and digital camcorder that benefit from high transfer rate. It also known as high performance serial bus. The 1394 standard supports a data rate of 400 to 3200 Mbps. The IEEE 1394 uses different data transfer, and the interface cable supports three types of connectors, namely 4-pin connector, 6-pin connector, and 9-pin connector. The 6 and 9-pin connector carry power also support to external device. It can supply unregulated power in the range of 24 to 30 volts. Now let's stop here. In the next class we will learn about IRDA, that is infrared. Thank you.